Some things are Maine classics, like lobsters, lighthouses, and LL Bean, but not these limpet shells. Full disclosure, I ordered these online because I saw them in a picture. I thought they were so pretty that I had to do something with them. In case we haven't met yet, my name is Elizabeth. I make and sell custom and one-of-a-kind resin jewelry on my website, calicounicorn.com. Much like these shells, my husband and I are actually not from Maine. Although I talk about Maine a lot, I love it. We are not from here. We moved here in 2007, and we are what the native Mainers refer to as from away. I'm not sure what the actual statute of limitations is on that term, but I've met people that have lived here for 50 years, raised their family here, and they're still referred to as from away. But before I give you the wrong idea, Maine is awesome. Maine is a state where every town is a small town, the people are quiet but friendly, and you are surrounded by spectacular natural beauty no matter where you look. One of the most beautiful sights to see is the unique rocky seacoast that Maine has. Although you wouldn't know it by looking at it, our coastline is actually longer than California's. It has over 4,600 islands, I think. So it's a serious coastline. I haven't had a chance to see all of it. What I have seen, though, is stunning. But one thing that always stands out to me no matter what beach I go to is the clear blue water. So what if these shells aren't from Maine? They pass the vibe test, so they get to emulate the Maine waters here. So after I cured that blue layer, I laid down a very thin layer of the white. And now I'm going to just drip in some clear dots here, and that's what's going to give this cool water effect to the top. I love the depth that these give, even in a small package. So if I hadn't told you these shells weren't from Maine, would you have even noticed?